Hello everyone and happy Thursday. I'm going to discuss with you why our Calm Muscle blend, which is one of the best blends that work against pain. I actually have been getting a lot of pain over the years in my neck and shoulder, and I discovered this formula that I actually was looking at a doctor friend of mine who was using a magnesium cream. So I asked him why, and I started research. So Epsom salt has a lot is basically magnesium sulfate, and this is not just Epsom salt. So don't go by this package. This is the only one I could get hold of, so I'm showing this to you. But Epsom salt in itself is magnesium sulfate, and our muscles, the moment they absorb Epsom salt, which is magnesium, they actually relax. So once they relax, the blood flows in, the pain goes down. And what really helps is a carrier oil like a fractionated coconut oil. So what you do is you take a little bit of carrier oil, like a fractionated coconut oil, and then add a drop of Calm Muscle. The Calm Muscle is a blend of ginger, turmeric, it has nutmeg, it has a lot of those warming spice oils that would actually, because these are essential oils are volatile, when you add a drop of the essential oil, it becomes like a combination that really works very well on the skin. So why it works is the magnesium actually goes and mixes with the fractionated coconut oil, and the Calm Muscle blend, because of the volatile contents of essential oil being in there, become like the things that would travel and would take magnesium inside. So let's say if you take a warm water bath and you put Epsom salt in it, the reason you feel relaxed is because the magnesium gets absorbed in your skin. But once you actually have essential oils with them, the absorption level goes a lot more, and fractionated coconut oil and almond oil act as carriers. So I'm going to actually apply this. It was a little less carrier oil that I'm using, but if I use a little bit more this, and if it is just magnesium sulfate, which is Epsom salt, it should get absorbed, it should really get mixed in it very well. So once you have that, now you've created a combination where the Calm Muscle, all these essential oils, I'll read you all the essential oil ingredients in it. The first ingredient is wintergreen. Wintergreen has methyl salicylate in it as the main component. So methyl salicylate, as most people know, is already being used in pharmaceutical industry, but this is all 100% pure and natural wintergreen oil. We get most of our wintergreen oil either from Nepal or from Yunnan. The wintergreen oil is used in Tiger Balm and other major products that are out there in the market for pain. The number two product in Calm Muscle is actually nutmeg oil. Nutmeg oil has been in Thailand, people just sell pure nutmeg oil because nutmeg oil has been known to reduce your pain. The third one is turmeric. Everybody has been eating turmeric capsules, and the turmeric oil has that anti-inflammatory properties as well because of the curcumin inside. The fourth one is ginger. Everybody knows ginger oils. Actually, ginger is a very warming oil. It is also anti-inflammatory. The next one is black pepper. Black pepper is almost like a catalyst. It goes and actually makes the other essential oils like fly faster, almost get and penetrate into your skin faster. And black pepper and turmeric has constantly being added together because black pepper acts as a catalyst. So black pepper actually lets you penetrate or work much faster, and the bioabsorption goes a lot more with black pepper. The next one is mentha peperita, which is peppermint, and everybody knows that peppermint actually is one of the finest oils apart from lavender there be in existence. So if you have the Calm Muscle blend, um, the magnesium sulfate, which is also called Epsom salt, a couple of brands that I saw on in the market were Dr. Teal's and some other ones. Please do not ever buy the product that already has lavender in it or already has peppermint in it, because I believe that once you put the volatile essential oils inside the Epsom salt, the volatile constituents really start to oxidize. So you don't want a product that you get that has no real effect on it except a little bit of smell that you get. So I know it's you want to be lazy. Most of us are, especially I've seen that this is a fast food economy, America, and everybody wants everything ready-made, but this is something that you really don't want ready-made. You want to buy essential oils in a bottle, packaged, so that there is no oxidization. You want to buy pure and natural Epsom salt. Don't buy it with tea tree, with lavender, because what that would do is, number one, there is no way to test them if the lavender that was put is really lavender. Very difficult to test, because once it's in the Epsom salt, there is no way you can GC the product. So I would highly recommend you to buy your own essential oils, then add them to Epsom salt. Be a little, be do the DIY thing, do it yourself thing, because if you don't, it's almost like going and buying a peanut butter jelly sandwich from a sandwich store and you don't know what kind of peanut butter is he using, what kind of jelly is he using, versus if you know that you like X brand of peanut butter or Y brand of jelly and taking a bread or just doing it yourself. I'd rather do it myself. I do it currently. So I would highly suggest you use Epsom salt only with Calm Muscle, with a fractionated coconut oil or almond oil, one of the two, or jojoba oil if you have that at home. Make a mixture, apply it to wherever your pain is. The magnesium would soak in and you'll have amazing effects. Alternatively, if you're having pain and you want to go and take a shower, take a couple of scoops of Epsom salt, just the pure one, and put it in the bathtub, sit down in the bathtub. Oh, then go ahead and add a few drops of Calm Muscle, few drops of fractionated coconut, mix them really well, and then you sit down in the tub and have a relaxing bath, as well as reduce that inflammation, that is, increase the blood circulation so that your pain level can go down. I'll take any questions in case you have any questions. In case not, I still do want to remind you, do not buy stuff that is pre-mixed with essential oils of lavender, of tea tree, and of other brands. I'm not saying concluding that this particular brand, I just got this just to show you. You can use Epsom salt of your choice. I'm not saying you should not use this particular brand with tea tree or etc. on it, but I would in general say use Epsom salt that's plain with real essential oils and add it yourself. Do not trust what is coming, because not trust, it's not even a matter of trust, it's the volatile compounds that would evaporate. So you want to make sure you do it yourself right before you use the product. I hope it was good information for you guys, and I will keep coming back to you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.